You may receive contact lists from brokers, lead sources, and other industry sources that you may want to be able to use. ACT gives you the ability to import data from a variety of sources, eliminating the need to enter them manually. The Import Wizard enables you to quickly import data without having to map it, and also imports directly from popular applications like Microsoft Excel. I've just created this new database, and if I view all the contacts, we'll see that there's really nothing there yet. However, I do have a list of contacts from Arizona and California that I want to import. So to do this, I'm going to go to the File menu and click Import. I'm going to click Next to get started. First, I need to select the type of file. I'm going to import an Excel spreadsheet. If you're going to choose to use Outlook or Excel, you must first have those products installed before importing. Next, I need to browse for the location of this file, and I believe I've saved it to my desktop. Here it is. Select that and click Open. And I don't have any logon information for this spreadsheet, so I'll click Next. Now I need to choose the type of records to import. You can only import one record type at a time, so if you have both contact and company data to import, you'll need to run the Import Wizard twice, once for contacts and then once for companies. I know my spreadsheet is a contact record spreadsheet, so I'm going to leave contact selected and click Next. Now I need to choose the import type. If I choose typical, I'm going to get the default field settings. If I choose custom, this will help me for custom fields and merges, including new fields that I'd like to add in ACT going forward. I know this is a pretty basic spreadsheet, so I'm going to select typical and then I'm going to click Next. Now, if I had a bunch of records in my database, I could choose to enable the duplicate checking method here, but since my database is empty, I'm not concerned that there will be any duplicates, so I'll click Next. ACT gives me a summary of what it's about to do. It says all my fields are compatible so that the import may continue. I'm going to click Import to begin. Once the import is finished, I can click this link to view the import log. It tells me that there were 48 contacts that were imported and there were no errors along the way. So we'll click OK and then click Finish. Now I can see from the list view of my contacts that all of my new contacts are here. If I had a giant database, I could verify the imported contacts by going to Look Up, Other Fields. Then I could select Import Date is equal to today. When I click OK, it's going to give me a list of 48 contacts that I just imported today. The ACT Import Wizard simplifies the import process and is especially useful if you frequently import data from various sources.